Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I have such a fun and exciting product to try out, and the packaging is so beautiful. This is from the brand LA Girl, and this is the Glitter Magic Shimmer Shifting Lip Color. So I actually picked this up from ShopMissA for only $1 in the shade Fizzy Fuchsia. For some reason, the ShopMissA website just has this one color, but this comes in a bunch of different shades. And I have tried out one of these before in a very different shade. So I'm excited to see how this is going to look on me and excited to see that magic glitter effect appear. And so it really is such beautiful packaging with the glitter handle, but it's not the type of glitter that's going to come off. And so let's check out the wand. It's a teeny little doe foot applicator, which I really like, this type of applicator for lip products. And now before I apply it to my lips, I'm going to do a swatch and check out this color. Oh my gosh, so pigmented, and it's a very thin formula. Oh my gosh, and it smells good, but it kind of smells nostalgic. It's definitely like an artificial, sweet, fruity smell, but I like it. But so pretty. It definitely is fuchsia, almost red, but it has that pink glitter to it. Let's go ahead and see how this looks on me. I saw a review saying that it's gloopy, and it definitely is. When you dip the wand in, it comes out pretty gloopy, but hopefully it won't be that way as I apply it to my lips. Yeah, like it goes on very thin. It pretty much is like painting. It's so pigmented. But the trick and the magic to it is to let it dry down and then rub your lips together so that the glitter emerges pretty much. So I'm going to go ahead and try and resist rubbing my lips together, just paint it all over. As I'm applying it right now, it looks so beautiful, but it looks like a red lipstick with a pink metallic sheen, which I absolutely love that look, but I'm excited to see what it will turn into. I love how it's super easy to get a precise shape with this little doe foot applicator, and there is no feathering, which is great, and you really just need a very thin layer. Oh my gosh, that is looking actually so beautiful already. And it's not at all gloopy or clumpy on the lips. It's actually very smooth, very even. It's not clinging to any dry patches. It's not emphasizing the lines in my lips. It actually looks like such a beautiful, flattering formula. And it doesn't take too long to dry down. I would say maybe a minute, because it's definitely all dried down now. And so we're gonna do the magic trick. Oh my gosh. I don't even know how that happens. It's dried down so much that it doesn't have like that creamy feel that makes it easy for your lips to rub together. So it's like kind of hard to actually do that step, but it does make it kind of turn from a metallic sheen to more just glitter. I wonder if I can... Did come off on my finger like that, and that didn't really help. So this doesn't have as much glitter as I was kind of hoping and expecting, but having subtle glitter actually still looks really pretty because it does still have that metallic pink shift to it, which just looks so pretty and so fun. I will say it does feel a little bit more drying on my lips. Like, I don't think this has like the hydrating, nourishing ingredients that some of those other liquid lipsticks have, but it still does look flattering on my lips. Even though it feels a little drying, luckily it doesn't look drying. And I'm surprised with how much came off on my finger there, but I do still want to do a kiss test and see the transfer. Wow, no transfer, which I absolutely love that. I just am always going to want a lip color that doesn't transfer. It's so much easier, so much less hassle. And to have the glitter with it, I feel like usually I'm applying like a glitter lip gloss, or to even get that metallic sheen, it would have like some sort of glossiness to it. But this is just so like textured, dimensional, but no transfer, which is incredible. And then the fact that I got this for $1. And this color, I love it. This is the type of color that just makes me happy. And it's not going to be like an all the time, everyday type of color for me. But since it does have that glitter, I do feel like this is like a fun going out type of lip product, especially with the formula that's going to last the whole night. So I love this. I really think that this is totally worth picking up for $1. So beautiful. And I feel like this is an example of the type of $1 lip product that just knocks so many of those expensive or even like kind of drugstore price point lip products. You know, it just knocks them out of the park. No, just like is so much better than those, and proves that you don't have to spend a lot of money on a lip product to get something amazing and long lasting and beautiful and innovative. Like, this is so great. If you've tried it out, definitely let me know in the comments down below how it worked out for you, because it does seem like there's some mixed reviews on these, but in my experience, I love these. I think these are awesome. So thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.